Viewsets in MetaGrid are the collections of views defined for a given application on your computer. Each application can have a dedicated viewset consisting of one or multiple views. MetaGrid recognizes the application that is in focus on your computer and automatically displays the appropriate viewset. A viewset is created automatically when the application is displayed on your computer screen for the first time. You will see the name of the application on Connection Status button. MetaGrid is shipped with several predefined views for popular applications like Illustrator, Final Cut, Logic Pro X, Cubase and Studio One, and more. In case of other applications, MetaGrid shows one scene assigned with a default view with buttons ready to be configured. A viewset can have multiple scenes with various views assigned. It can also have views assigned to buttons. For more information, see other MetaGrid tutorials.